Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, today I will do my reading aloud final test. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hafiz Hadiullah Rizky Nur from Pancasakti University in English Education Program. When you picture mountain climber scaling Mount Everest, what probably comes to mind are teams of climbers with Sherpa with leading them to the summit equipped with oxygen masks, supplied and tents, and it won't case you beat like as 97% of climbers use oxygen to ascend to Everest summit at 8,850 meters above sea level. This air at high altitude makes most people reckless at 3,500 meters, and the vast majority of climbers use oxygen packs 7,000 meters, and typical climbers group will have 15 people in it, with an almost equal number of width, and they speed weeks to get to the top after reading base camp. But ultra distance and mountain runner Helen Gernot Burget escaped the mountain in May 2017 alone with an oxygen mask or 5 drops for climbers. Oh, and hiding it in 26 hours with 4 poisoned, and that 5th day later he did it again, this time in only 17 hours. Born in 1987, Gillian has been training for Everest, his wildlife, and that really does mean his whole life as he grew up 2,000 meters above sea level in the Thailand in the ski resort of Letters de Cerdanya in Catalonia, northeast fine. While our children's his egg were trained to walk, Kilia was off ski at 1.5 years old. He died a 5-hour hike with his mom and under his own steam. He lived his first event motor behind wheel. He climbs his first mountain and compete is his first course 3. He raced at age 3. By age 7 he had scaled a 4,000 and at 10 he died and 42 day course of the Giants. He was 13 when he say he started to take it serious and train with the ski mountain tactical center teams in Catalonia and the entering competition competition and working with an coach at 18 he took over his own ski mountain and tried training with skiing the only allow a couple of weeks of brief years. He does as many as 100 1,040 hours of edu training and years plus strike training and tactical work as well as special training is the week before and rest for his record breaking as Asians and the sense of that met he prepared by climbers that mountain the times until he know every detail of it, even includes where that the sun works be shining at every party of the day. Sleeping only 7 hours a night, Killa Jones seems almost super home is resting and but is even extremely low at 30 beats per minute compared with the average 16 per minute of 40 per minute. He breathes more often than other people to taking in more oxygen persuades of he has a much faster recover time after exercise as he body quickly breaks down, letting exit. The exit in mostly that cops pain after exercise. All this is that to keep livelihood in the mountains and to Ganeshan, but it is his mental traits that set him apart. He often set himself to see how low he can endure the condition in order to try understand what he body and mean can copy with for example the almond gave him kids parts after only drinking 5 liters of water of and run in the temperature of around 50 Celsius in what take about 2 late at the rest and award he what and that the mountain had his climbers and even her Kilian achievements exceed the average persons and some somehow he first time to record his care on he blog and has written 3 books run of the inverse birth and some summit of my life. Thank you. Wabillahi taufiq walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.